K-팝에 대한 관심은 한국 문화에 대한 관심으로도 이어지고 있는데요.
한류 문화의 글로벌 확산이 세계 곳곳에서 한국어 배우기 열풍을 선도하고 있다고 영국 BBC 방송이 보도했습니다.
최근 K-뷰티, K-패션이 한국을 상징하는 또 하나의 키워드가 되고 있습니다.
Korean culture is now leading the world's cultural trends. On top of the global K-pop sensation, Korean food, dramas, films, and a lot of more cultural heritage of Korea have been on the spotlight these days. In the wake of the Korean wave, Korea's national prestige and image have been improved, as well as in the world stage. Then has the global citizenship of Korea developed enough to keep up with the growth of its national status? Produced by GFN, this special documentary, A Step Towards Hope, aims to give thought to whether Korea is ready to live together among all members of the global community, featuring the lives of multicultural families in the country with differently able children. There are many names of Korea, including the land of morning calm, the eastern country of courtesy, and the white-clad race. Korea's pride in its long and rich history is well reflected in the names. Korea is also called a single-race nation. Notably, the old belief that Korea is composed of one of the same ethnicity has recently been considered as a proud legacy of the country. But nowadays, it's no longer true. According to the Ministry of Justice in May, the number of foreign residents living in Korea has reached 2.36 million, accounting for more than 4.5% of the total population. More people than ever are coming into Korea now in search of better jobs or in the hope of setting up their own family. The percentage of foreign residents in Korea is expected to go over 5% in the near future. Immigrants with various backgrounds and nationalities form many different types of families. One of them is a multicultural family, which refers to a family consisting of one or more non-Korean parents. As of December of last year, Korea had approximately 319 multicultural families, which means 1 or 2 out of 10 homes living in Korea have immigrant backgrounds. Fukumoto Hiromi came to Korea from Japan more than 20 years ago. As she married a Korean man, she lives in Seoul now. It was of course not easy for Hiromi to get used to her new life in Korea at first. With a lot of effort over many years, she has adapted well, and she has a lovely family with 3 children at present. They are all grown up. But her second daughter, Yeonjung, who's 20 years old now, still needs a lot of help from Hiromi, because she has difficulty moving around due to cerebral palsy.
안녕하세요. 저는 후쿠모토 히로미라고 합니다. 일본에서 왔습니다. 그리고
Hello, I'm Hiromi Fukumoto from Japan. I have issues with fertility, so I need to pay extra attention during pregnancy. But when I got pregnant with Yeonjung, I couldn't get enough rest, as I also had to take care of my first daughter. Yeonjung was born prematurely at 31 weeks, and due to a lack of oxygen, she developed cerebral palsy.
30일쯤 만에 태어나가지고 산소 부족으로 인해 뇌손마비 장애를 갖게 되었습니다.
As Yeonjung uses a wheelchair, it takes some time until she gets ready for school in the morning. Hiromi climbs steep stairs while pushing Yeonjung's wheelchair. It's even raining today, so Hiromi is working extra hard to roll the wheelchair up to the top of the stairs. Hiromi has to make her taxi reservation from the early morning through a mobile application in order to make sure that Youngjung gets to school on time. Luckily, she booked a taxi on her first try today. The reserve taxi finally arrives. The taxi driver fixes Youngjung's wheelchair on the lift installed in the taxi. Yeonjung is now able to head to her school. Though she can't walk or freely move her body, Yeonjung is enthusiastic about everything she does.
안녕하세요. 저는 지금 성심여자고등학교 2학년 김연정이라고 합니다.
Hello, my name is Yeonjung Kim. I'm a second grader at Seongsin Girls High School. I wake up and go to school in the morning. After school, I go back home and study. On weekends, I usually take notes again to catch up on what I missed during classes and watch TV.
TV를 보거나 그러면서 지내요. 제가 좋아하는 과목은 문학인데
My favorite subject is literature. When I studied literature in middle school, I could learn about many novels, so it was very fun. But in high school, it requires some analysis, so it's not just fun and easy anymore.
지금은 보통 싫어하는 과목은 수학이나 영어.
I don't like maths and English. English is difficult. I'm not good at doing calculations, so I don't like maths.
잘 못해서 어려워요.
Just like her cheerful voice, she's positive all the time. She tries to join as many school activities as possible. She has lots of good friends too. Whenever there are classes where students must change classrooms, Yeonjung's friends volunteer to push her wheelchair.
오늘은 내가 운전해줄게. 하지만 내가 운전을 잘 못한단 말이지.
Yeonjung's wheelchair is popular with her classmates. There is even a rumor in the school that they fight over being the one to push her wheelchair.
싫어, 내가 운전할 거야.
저는 성심여자고등학교에 다니고 있는 연정이 짝꿍 홍성진이라고 합니다.
I'm Song Jin-hong, a second grader at Seongsin Girls High School. Yeonjung and I are in the same class. We've gotten close after sitting next to each other several times.
친해지고 도와주고 그러면서 친해졌습니다. 되게 열심히 해요.
Yeonjung does her best in every aspect. Though she's slow at taking notes in class, she tries very hard to keep up. She asks me to show her my notes every day and gives them back to me after writing them all down. I'm very glad that I can help her.
그럼 약간 뿌듯해요.
안녕하세요. 저는 성심여자고등학교 연정이랑 같은 반 연정이의 베스트 드라이버 홍예은이라고 합니다.
Hello, I'm Yeon-hong, Yeonjung's best driver. I'm in the same class with Yeonjung. When she has to move somewhere, I often volunteer to push her wheelchair. She gives me many compliments, saying that I drive her wheelchair smoothly and also do well in parking. That's how I got the nickname Best Driver.
정말 성진이 말대로 매사에 열심히면서 정말 활발해요.
What does her homeroom teacher, Byung-jik Lee, think of Yeonjung?
이제 학급에서 아침 조회 때나 종례 때 그 외에 학급 활동 시간에 이제 연정이를 이렇게 보면
Yeonjung tries to actively participate in morning meetings, end-day meetings, and many other class activities. I feel that she has a strong will to manage to achieve what she's supposed to do.
본인이 참여할 수 있는 건 꼭 다 참여하고 싶어하는 의지가 강한 학생이었고요. 또 더불어서 비교적 말이 이렇게 많은 편은 아니지만 친구들하고도
She doesn't talk that much, but she freely has conversations with her friends. She seems to get along with her friends quite well. I had some concerns about her at first, but now I know that I don't have to worry.
그래서 제가 처음에는 좀 걱정을 했었는데 걱정하지 않아도 될 것 같은 학생이라고 저는 지금 생각합니다.
In spite of her bright attitude, there's one thing that Yongjung has never been able to get familiar with. She feels uncomfortable when strangers she runs across on the streets stare at her.
약간 밖에 나가면은 장애인에 대한
When I go outside, I'm able to find a number of buildings short of facilities for the differently abled. Some people look at me with a strange look, like showing their uncomfortable feelings when I take public transportation. I feel a bit overwhelmed in those kinds of situations.
그게 좀 마음에 걸릴 때가 있어요.
As we can see in Yongjung's case, Korean society is yet kind enough to the differently abled. When they go out, they frequently feel many eyes keep following them. In addition to Yongjung and her mother Hiromi, we've met with a number of multicultural families in Korea with differently abled children. Many of them often encounter the double difficulty of disability and a multicultural background. We heard about the present status of multicultural families with differently abled children in Korea from Hae Jong-so, a researcher at Korea Disabled People's Development Institute.
국내 다문화 가족 현황을 조금 말씀드리면 다문화 가정이 한 30만 가구 있고 또 자녀들 한 22만 명 정도예요.
Korea has approximately 220,000 children from more than 300,000 multicultural families at present. Among them, the number of registered differently abled children is estimated to be 3,000.
그냥 우리가 일반 가구에서는 장애인 가구가 5.3%다 그러면 사실 다문화 가정 안에 장애 아동이 있는 비율이 13.3%로 추정이 돼요.
However, multicultural households with differently abled children are presumed to account for 13.3% of the total differently abled multicultural households, while Korean households with differently abled children account for approximately 5.3% of the total differently abled Korean households. In short, multicultural families are 3 times more likely to have differently abled children than Korean families. So the situation is quite serious.
등록하지 않은 아이들이 한 2배 정도면 100명, 100가구 정도 있을 거라고 봅니다. 굉장히 좀 심각한 비교라고 할 수 있는데.
Some immigrant parents who gave birth to differently abled children suffer discrimination even in their homes by other members of their Korean families. Sunhwa An came from China and has lived in Korea for 16 years now. Her youngest son, named Himang, has Down syndrome.
이제 염색체 검사 결과에서 이제 애가 다운 증후군이라는 거 알고 나서
When my son was diagnosed with Down syndrome by chromosome analysis, my brother-in-law searched online and found that babies born from an older mom are more likely to have the illness. Mother-in-law put all the blame on me for my son's disorder afterwards, saying her son, or my husband, is very healthy. It's not fair because I didn't drink or smoke, whereas my husband did both.
계속 저 탓으로 밀리고 해가지고 그때 지금까지도 정말 장애가 태어난 애의 원인을 연구해내는 연구자가 있었으면 좋겠어요.
I wish some good methods could be developed to exactly identify the cause of disability when babies are born differently abled. My in-laws probably still think that my son got his illness because of my faults.
생각하고 있는 거잖아요. 그래서 이런 것을 좀 오해 풀기 위해서 장애 원인이 누구 탓이라는 거 누가 전문가가 연구해냈으면 좋겠어요.
Discrimination, both in society and even at their homes, leaves these families scarred for life. Multicultural families with differently abled children face practical challenges too. Families we've met all said the language barrier and financial difficulties are their biggest concerns.
그때 언어 문화 차이로 저 혼자 사실 한국에 정착하고 살기도 힘든 상황에 얘가 태어났어요. 그때는 정말 어떻게 한국에 살 길이 막막하고 어떻게 하는 방법도 모르고.
My son was born during my early days in Korea. Back then, I couldn't speak Korean and didn't know what to do. When I went to the hospital, the doctor didn't seem to know that I was pregnant. He performed internal checkups and treated inflammation. I just thought Korean hospitals take extra care about hygiene even in early pregnancy. I would have made complaints, but I couldn't say anything back then. My husband couldn't speak for me because he and I barely had conversations either because of the language problem.
남편대로 앞에 나서지도 않고 물론 남편하고도 그거를 정확하게 전달이 안 돼가지고 그래서 다양한 원인이 있지 않을까 싶어요.
Sunhwa An speaks Korean very fluently now. But when she first came to Korea, she had struggles in communication. Because of the language barrier, it was especially tough getting medical treatment at hospital. Korean language ability of parents affects their children's Korean speaking. Without timely linguistic stimulus at home resulted from their parents' poor Korean, there is a high probability that children suffer delayed language development, even if they were born healthy without severe disabilities. Hyojin Kim, who works at a local community welfare center for the differently abled in Damyang County, emphasized the importance of language education both for immigrant parents and their differently abled children.
이 가정만 이러는 게 아니라 이제 다문화 가정을 제가 접하다 보니까 모두 이런 의사소통의 문제가 굉장히 많은 어려움을 겪고 있더라고요. 그래서
There are some multicultural families we're currently supporting. All of them have difficulty in communication. Children tend to be delayed in language development and parents are unable to take good care of their school life. What's more, these families fail to detect children with special educational needs at an early stage or get appropriate treatment. Our staff always have to visit these families in person because of the language barrier.
돼야 되는 그런 그 어려움이 지원 가정 중에 있습니다.
Another big challenge for multicultural families with differently abled children is financial difficulties.
특히 이제 다문화 가족 안에서의 장애 가족들은 평균 소득이 100만 원 이하가 15%고 200만 원
15% of multicultural families with differently abled children earn less than 1 million won a month in average. 25 to 30% of these same type of families only earn between 1 and 2 million won a month, though every household has 3 to 4 members. In comparison with families without disabilities, these households suffer extreme poverty.
일반적으로 병원비라던가 치료비 등들도 이제 한 달에 약 50만 원에서 200만 원 정도 필요하다고 합니다. 경제적으로 상당히 부담스러운 상황이라고 볼 수 있어요.
In this unfavorable financial circumstance, both parents have to work hard to make a living for the whole family. However, it's practically impossible as differently abled children need care all day long. Moreover, medical expenses cost them no small amount. Multicultural families with differently abled children in Korea are struggling with a range of issues as aforementioned. Not only children with disabilities, but also their parents with immigrant backgrounds come across hardship. A wide variety of support policies are currently run in Korea for multicultural families or the differently abled. However, there are not enough to meet the special needs of multicultural families with differently abled children. That's because different authorities deal with the issue of multicultural families and the differently abled. Moreover, differently abled children from multicultural families have still remained out of the spotlight in the disability support system.
다문화 가족은 주무부처가 여성가족부고 또 장애인 가족은 보건복지부이기 때문에
The Ministry of Gender Equality and Family manages the issues of multicultural families, while families with differently abled members get services from the Ministry of Health and Welfare. Therefore, these two government agencies should make joint efforts. Welfare policies for the differently abled focus more on grown-ups at present. Children with disabilities are the minority within the disability policy and are only taken care of in the field of special education.
In Korea, only those who register their disability are able to receive support, which can bring about an additional barrier for differently abled children from multicultural families.
장애인 정책의 가장 좀 한계라고 보면 장애인 정책은 장애인으로 반드시 등록을 법적으로 등록해야지만 장애인 정책으로 이제 서비스를 받게
One
되죠.
of the biggest limitations of Korea's current disability policy is that the differently abled are unable to receive services unless their disability is registered by law. Some immigrant parents are not aware of the existence of the registration system. It's hard for them to identify their children's disability. Others show a tendency to avoid the registration out of concern that the disability could become another factor of social discrimination, along with their immigrant backgrounds. As a result, some differently abled children from multicultural families are unable to get any support through disability policies due to the fact that they are not officially registered.
사실 그 아동은 소외되고 있다 이렇게 좀 말씀드릴 수 있을 것 같아요.
Experts say the comprehensive support system is urgently needed in order to provide intensive and long-lasting care.
네, 그렇습니다. 그 단순히 장애 아동의 문제, 다문화 여성의 문제, 이렇게 개인의 문제만 해결해서는 이 가족의 문제를 해결할 수가 없기 때문에
Simply meeting the needs of individuals such as differently able children or immigrant women can't be a fundamental solution for family problems. Therefore, approaches for an entire family should be considered. In the same context, joint services by many local institutions, as well as both private and public agencies, are very important. We need to deal with the issue from a more long-term perspective with the sustained efforts.